Sarah never imagined that the man she loved for 25 years. She trusted him. She supported him. She built a life with him. But after the divorce, he tried to take everything she had. This is not just a divorce story. This is a story of betrayal, courage, and justice. Sarah and Michael met when they were young. Michael was ambitious. Sarah was kind and hardworking. They dreamed of a simple life. After marriage, they bought a small house. It was not luxurious, but it was full of love. Sarah worked long hours. Michael started his business. Every month, Sarah helped pay the mortgage. Every year, they improved the house. That house became their world. Their children grew up there. Their memories lived there. Sarah believed this house would always be hers. She was wrong. As years passed, Michael changed. He became distant. He started coming home late. Arguments became frequent. One night, Michael said something that shattered Sarah's heart. "I want a divorce." Sarah felt her world collapse. She asked softly, "What about the house?" Michael replied calmly, "Don't worry. You will get half of it." Sarah believed him, because she still trusted him. During the divorce process, Michael acted kind. He said, "You sacrificed your life for this family. I will never cheat you." Sarah signed the papers. She didn't understand the legal language. She didn't know that Michael had already transferred the house into his name. She didn't know that she was signing away her rights, and Michael knew everything. 3 months later, Sarah received a legal notice. "You must leave the house within 30 days. Her hands started shaking. She called Michael. He said coldly, "The house is legally mine now." Sarah cried, "You promised me half." Michael replied, "You signed the papers." That moment changed Sarah forever. Sarah felt lost. That house was her only security. Her children's memories were there. Her sacrifices were there. Her life was there. But now she was being thrown out like a stranger. Her friends told her, "Fight in court." Sarah was afraid, but she had no choice. She decided to stand up. Sarah hired a lawyer. The lawyer said, "Michael used a legal trick." But Sarah had evidence. Bank statements. Messages where Michael promised fairness. Proof of her financial contribution. The case went to court. Michael appeared confident. Sarah appeared nervous, but she was ready to fight. The judge asked Michael, "Who owns the house?" Michael said proudly, "I am the legal owner." Sarah said with tears, "I helped build that house. I paid for it. I lived there for 25 years. Michael's lawyer showed legal documents. Sarah's lawyer showed emotional and financial evidence. The courtroom was silent. The judge asked Sarah, "Why is this house so important to you?" Sarah replied, "This house is not just property. It is my life. I cooked meals there. I raised my children there. I supported my husband when he had nothing. If I lose this house, I lose everything." People in the courtroom were emotional. Even the judge felt the pain. The judge ordered a deeper investigation. Experts checked property records. They found the truth. Michael secretly transferred the house just before the divorce. He planned everything. He wanted full control. The judge looked at Michael and said, "This looks like intentional deception." Michael was silent. After weeks of hearings, the judge announced the decision. The court finds that Michael acted unfairly. Sarah has equal rights to the house. The property will be divided equally. Sarah cried. Michael was shocked. Justice had finally won. Outside the court, Sarah said, "This fight was not about money. It was about dignity." The judge ended with powerful words. "Trust is beautiful, but law is necessary. Never sign what you don't understand, and never underestimate the truth."